How to make a watermark for your YouTube videos. Within your YouTube studio, on the left-hand side, scroll down and click Customization, then click Branding. If we scroll down, there's an option for a video watermark that will appear on all your YouTube videos. The recommended size for this image is 150 by 150 pixels. So let's make one. Open Photoshop and click Create New and make the dimensions 150 by 150 and click OK. So here we have this square. To make it bigger on your screen so you can see better, click Command 0. Then for me, I'm just going to make something very simple and I'm gonna make it say the word subscribe. So I want my background to be the same shade of red as the YouTube logo. So I'm just gonna go over to Google Chrome and I'm going to take a screenshot. So I'm gonna click Command Shift and then the number 4 and just take a screenshot of the YouTube logo. Then I'm going to find that screenshot on my computer, right click on it and open it with Photoshop. For any pop-ups, click OK, and then I'm going to click Command 0 to make it bigger. It's very pixelated, but it doesn't matter. I just want the color. So I'm going to go to the eyedropper tool and then click on this red so that I can use this specific shade of red. So now I go back over to this tab, go to my paint bucket tool, and paint my background red. As for the text, I'm going to create a new layer and I want the text to be white. So I'm going to click and drag over to white. Then I'm going to go to the text tool and this is the font that I want to use. And I'm just going to type the word subscribe. Since we have a square and since subscribe is 9 letters, I'm going to split the word into 3 lines, like so. Then I'm going to use my mover tool and I'm going to center it. Then I might add a drop shadow to the text. If you want to learn how to do that, I have a video on my channel. And there we go. So it looks very pixelated because we've blown up a very small image, but on YouTube it's going to look very tiny. So if I zoom out, it's going to be about that big on YouTube, so it's not going to be pixelated. So then we go File, Save As, change the format to a JPEG. I'm going to name it Watermark. Save. Okay. Then we go over to the YouTube channel, upload a video watermark, find the image, click open, click done. Then you can choose when you want the watermark to show up. Just at the end of the video or choose a custom start time. You decide when it shows up or if you want it to be there for the entire video. I personally want it for the entire video, so that's what I'm going to choose. Then click publish. Then if we go over to my content, click one of my videos and view it on YouTube, you will see the watermark in the bottom right corner. And if you hover over it, viewers have the ability to subscribe. And this watermark will appear across every single video you upload to your channel. So that's how you add a watermark to your YouTube videos.